Right guys, so I have a solution for you. It's the mesh of the pinion and the spur gear. There is a little bit of misconcentricity. Is that a word? Did I just make a word up? Anyway, where the motor mount pushes down into the guiding slot, the locating slot, I simply cut a little strip of balloon which I use to protect my ESCs and put it in there as a shim to give the pinion a little bit more space. I've bolted it all back together, and it's a lot more free and it's so much quieter, and the startup is a lot better now. I've got a lot more fine control.